Hello everybody, welcome to Short Shot Archery. Anthony here, and in this video I'm going to do my best to answer kind of a pretty popular question of, should I shoot a single spot or tri-spot target indoors at 18 meters? Somebody asked me about getting a lot of arrow deflections from shooting a single spot while I was wrapping up the second day of the January World Indoor Series. So here's the clip from that and me answering it. So hopefully it helps you out.
So this is an interesting thing, and this comes back to my coach, Sung Woo. He runs SW Archery. I mostly shoot 70 meters, and that's at the big 100. That's at the big 52 centimeter by 50. It's a big face. It takes up the whole target bale. Well, when I moved to 18 in the past, I would always shoot 3 spots, and my scores would be they'd be all right. Well, the thing is, he told me, "Hey Anthony, you're always shooting a single spot. The giant's face at 70 meters. Just shoot a single spot." He's like, I guarantee you it'll help out. So the last couple of years, maybe like 3 years or so, I've been shooting single spots, and I'm just watching my scores steadily rise. Again, this is the best shooting. A 577 is a personal best. Technically, two of the 3 of these have been personal bests. I know we're not at an official tournament, but even my past tournaments where I'm on the line with hundreds of other people, I was still slowly breaking my own records, either for the tournament or things like that. So yes, I break slightly more knocks, it seems like, in practice. I've had 0 deflections for all, what did we shoot? 9, no, more than 90 arrows. Hold on, we're doing math on a live stream. 30 times 6, 120? I don't know, something like that. For all 120 scoring arrows, including practice arrows, so it's probably more like 160 arrows, I've had 0 deflections, 0 broken knocks. Now in practice, I'm shooting 150.
Yeah.
About 150 arrows, give or take, a day. I'm breaking probably 1 knock and 1 pin every single day, but I didn't do any in the tournament, which is good. So I don't know, it depends on how it weighs out. What I've noticed is, for grouping, 2 things. If your bow's tuned well and you're shooting good shots, the groups are tighter, but you seem to break less knocks. I find I break more knocks when I start getting sloppy with my shooting, because I think the arrows come in sometimes at slightly odd angles, so it increases the odds of them hitting other arrows. Because if they're coming straight down there, yes, they're flexing on the way down, but they're going pretty straight. But if I do something odd and the arrow's kicked a little sideways and is trying to straighten itself out, it increases the amount of surface area that it could possibly hit as it's trying to fix itself on the very short path of shooting 18 meters. So at this point, I see no reason for me to switch from a single spot to a vertical 3-spot or like a Vegas style 3-spot. It's detrimental to my score, and I'm not losing any points at the moment shooting on the single spot. When that happens, then we'll cross that bridge, I guess, when we get to it. But so far, no, not an issue at all. And even for this half here, I shot two of my 430s were all 3 arrows were 10Xs. So we're packing them tight too, and we're still not messing them up. So could just be my experience, but I think I might be onto something with this, just a little bit. I don't know. Well, I guess we'll see.
So there you have it. There's my experience shooting single spot targets at tournaments at 18 meters. For me, it is definitely easier switching from 70 to 18 and only having to focus on a single target, just a smaller single target that's much closer. So I think the transition between the two is a lot easier. Also, at the same time, I'm not getting the bounce outs as long as I'm shooting good shots, and it helps that the bow's tuned. Other than that, though, I'd be interested to hear what other people have to say about it. Honestly, I've only experienced pretty much good things from it. It's definitely helped out my indoor shooting, and that's why I'm sharing this video, because maybe it'll help out yours, because each of us has our own little preference to how we like to shoot, and you kind of got to find what works best for you. So thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really appreciate you checking out this video. Be sure to share it with your friends, give it a like, and as always, happy shooting.